Here, scour it with this.
What's for dinner? Breakfast.
I ordered the petit déjeuner with 2 eggs and bacon and yeah, some cheese. It's delicious. Mostly bacon though, as you can tell.
Bacon. Maureen, what's for dinner here?
Mary and Blake won't share their salmon with me, but I had hash browns and eggs.
Oh, what is that? Looks like an egg.
The salmon de egg.
And what smoked?
Smoked salmon with egg, some cream cheese, Nutella, strawberry crepe.
Yeah, and he's going to give the rest of it to me.
Mary, I don't see anything on your plate.
Yeah, Paul's going to give me the rest of his. That's really nice of him.
She's eating a little cup of cream cheese right now.
I'm eating Paul's cream cheese.
I'm enjoying a supreme breakfast conversation with Blake Harrison.
What was that, Leo?
I'm enjoying a supreme breakfast conversation with Blake Harrison.
What's on the plate?
Oh.
What you eating?
I didn't even notice. Strawberry banana Nutella. And smoked salmon.
I have to sit next to Leo, and I'm enjoying this Heather's strawberry extravaganza. It's got strawberries and
no whipped cream.
Things that Heather likes on it. Extravaganza.